Hi all, this is Shavas. Today I'm going to show you how to practice file handling concept in Open Cobol IDE, which is an environment which allows us to practice Cobol programs. So in case if you haven't seen my first video, I would request do check out that video. It will give you the details and how to install this particular IDE on your Windows PC. I will copy the link for my first video in the description below. So let's get started. So I have coded a sample program which will explain how to handle a file in Open Cobol IDE. So everything is same, but there is small minor change here in the file control section. So there is uh, normal ZOS system. What we will do is we'll just assign the particular file name to a DD card uh, in the JCL, but here we need to copy the location of the file. So for example, I have a file here, so I'm just copying this file location. So this is the one slash along with the file name that you want to map with. So I have mapped this particular file to this logical file name. So I have given the layout as well here, and I have defined the file status, and one more thing is organization should be line sequential for this particular file. I will just walk through the main flow here. So I'm just trying to open this file in read mode, that is input, and I'm just checking the file status. If it is 35, so as per the file status 35, file is not present. So I'm just displaying the message and displaying the file status as well. And in case if the file do exist and it is successfully opened, then I will just perform the read operation to read records one by one and increment a counter, which is employee request. So after that, I'm just checking if there are no records in my input file. I'm just displaying no request for the day, and in case if there are at least one record or more than that, I'm just displaying number of requests and displaying the number of records that are present in my file. And after that, I'm just performing the closing of the file. And another thing is like how handle the other file status codes as well. In case our file status code is not 35 or 00, and just displaying as error message and just displaying the file status so that we can debug it later. So I will just show you a sample. I will just run this one and I will show you what will be the output for this particular thing. Let's see what is the input file have. So this is my input file. So it is having some 4 records. So as per the program, so our output should be number of requests and then 4. So let's run this particular program. So the output is number of requests 4. So this is working fine. Let's try another scenario in case my file doesn't exist. So I'll just remove that file and I will just run this one. Yeah, this is also working. File not found and the file status is 35. In case I have only no records in my file. So this is my file. I'll just open this one and delete everything, and then I will just run it one more time. Yeah, it is showing no request for the day. So all the cases are working. So as you can see, it is almost similar, only the difference is in the assign statement here. So you can just modify this one and you can practice file handling at home. So hope you like this video and it has been useful for you. If you do like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I will just upload more videos on that one. And going forward, I'm looking forward to upload a video on how to use copybooks and how to call subroutines in Open Cobol IDE. So that's it guys, thank you.